Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eddie and this is the Credit Hype. I know it's been a while since I made a video, but I'm really excited because I've been working on a lot of projects, and today we're going to talk about 3 online business ideas you can start from home and how I currently make my money online. So if you guys want to keep watching and learn about these models, then keep watching to the end of the video. Don't forget to smash that like button for me, and it's going to get started. So the first business model to start making money online is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is probably one of my favorite ways to make money online as of right now, only because you can create content, you can create product reviews, a blog, Pinterest, TikTok, Instagram, whatever you want, and you can profit on a monthly basis depending on the product. So affiliate marketing is basically the concept of selling other people's products, and this is very simple because basically every company that you can think of has an affiliate program. And even if it's traditional companies like Walmart, Amazon, and Best Buy, they even offer affiliate programs. So if you want to create product reviews on cameras, if you want to create product reviews on computers, and then digital products, you guys can do affiliate marketing for that. And that's exactly what I do on the same channel. I do create affiliate reviews for CreditPair software and also other type of credit monitoring service. And I also have a full-time blog that I work on that allows me to generate income through referral affiliate links. And I do that on a full-time basis with SEO and also making sure that I follow up with the people that have inquiries and things like that. So that is the first way to make money online, is affiliate marketing. And how to start this, I'd recommend first picking a niche or a niche. Then second, creating content around a product that within that niche that you want to make money in. Third, create bonuses and follow up with people that have questions or inquiries regarding that product or service. And fourth, reinvest the profits into advertisements on Instagram or Facebook. So this is probably the best way to start affiliate marketing online. So the second business model is going to be YouTube. YouTube has been a great way for me to create passive income because I create a video once and it starts to bring in revenue on a daily basis. And I really mean on a daily basis. As you guys can see, I'm going to try to leave a screenshot here on my video. You guys can see that I do generate clicks every single day to affiliate products using YouTube. Now YouTube, you can generate many passive income strategies or just any type of consulting. If you have some kind of product or service, you can use YouTube to create how-to tutorials, product reviews, and generate leads that way as well. I use YouTube for affiliate marketing and also to bring in traffic to my blog. You guys can check that out at trendybusinesses.com, and I create different types of product reviews on digital services. So this is a great way again to make money online. YouTube is becoming more and more popular and mainstream for many people. It's important to, take an online course or study as much as you can before you start creating content, because you don't want to just get overwhelmed. And YouTube is supposed to be fun. And I kind of did lose some interest because I felt stressed out because I didn't know if I was creating the content for the right people. But at the end of the day, you have to understand who you're doing it for, what kind of content to produce, and it's important to really help people that really need it. Many people ask me questions every single day, and that's kind of how I come up with these YouTube videos. So again, second income stream would be YouTube. Now for the third income stream, it's going to be starting a CreditPair business. CreditPair is one of the, most difficult businesses to start because it is considered a high-risk industry. But at the end of the day, once you can get everything up and running, like your bank account, your merchant account, payment processing, and setting up a reoccurring subscription for your clients, once you can get all of that taken care of, starting a CreditPair company can be one of the most profitable businesses you can ever start. Again, at the end of the day, since CreditPair has a bad name, you have to be the person that changes the industry, changes the mindset of people, and getting people to sign up for your services and producing real results. I know that there is CreditPair MLMs and things like that that kind of ruin the name, but at the end of the day, if you have an actual business, you know what you're doing, you can make a good income with CreditPair. Now, I've been doing CreditPair for over 1.5 years with my business partner, and at the end of the day, we do a lot of different types of strategies to get clients using ads, organic marketing through Instagram and Facebook. And at the end of the day, you will be getting clients, you will get leads, you will learn how to create a business. And even if you fail, it's still a great way to basically learn how to start a company in general. We learned a lot and we made a lot of mistakes, but it has been really fun. So I recommend that you guys start a Credit Per business, and I am going to leave description links below. So if you guys want to start your own Credit Per company, you guys can do so. Watch some free trainings. And again, a lot of these links below are my affiliate links, and that is to disclose to you guys as well. So let me know if you guys learned anything here on this video. I'm going to be creating more content on how to start a Credit Per company again, how to do ads, and how to get your own clients. And I'm also going to be creating more content off of your guys' questions. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.